Hello friends, welcome to KK channel. In our KK channel today we are going to see interesting things about Earth and its facts by K. Kirti Lakshmi. Come on, let's go inside the video for interesting things and facts. This is the shape of an Earth first of all, and this is the shape of the Earth. Earth has only one satellite, that is the moon. Earth is the third planet in the solar system. It is the only planet that can support life. The 3/4 of the Earth's surface is covered with water and only 1/4 of the Earth's surface is covered with land. Why did our planet is called Earth? The name Earth is derived from both English and German words or th, or artha and erid, respectively, which means ground. One interesting fact about its name: Earth is the only planet that was not named after a Greek or Roman god or goddess. How we are troubling our Mother Earth. Earth is an amazing planet. But nowadays, many people are splitting on the earth and throwing chemical, plastic, and factory polluted air and gases in water, etc. etc. 10 ways kids can help the earth. Not kids alone, adults and elders can also help by conserve water, save electricity, keep your leftovers, recycle, care for animals and insects. Don't waste paper. Pick up trash. Walk when you can. Try composting. Keep learning about earth and how you can help. Save water, save earth. Please save earth and plants. Please save earth and save trees and plants. Then only our earth will be greenery. And please don't waste water while brushing your teeth and bathing, etc. etc. Many of them will turn on the taps while they are brushing and leave it like that, and they will turn off or forget to turn off the taps. Don't do like that. Water will get wasted and we will get very much troubled in summertime. Please don't cut trees. Save forests. Please plant more trees and try to keep home garden. Not home garden alone, friends. At least try to keep at least one plant in your home. Plant trees, keep our earth greenery. Please save water. Every drop counts. Reduce your use. Think green. Please turn off the taps after use. Save water. Save water, save life. That is true. There is no water, no life. So save water and save life. In our body surface, 75% is covered with water, and only other 15% is only covered with food, proteins, vitamins, etc. What is the shape of the earth? The actual shape of the earth is geoid. Geoid means orange like shape. The planet bulges around the equator by an extra 0.3% as a result of the fact that it rotates about its axis. Earth's diameter from north to south pole is 12,714 kilometers, that's 7,900 miles, while through the equator it is 12,756 kilometers, that's 7,926 miles. The difference, 42.78 kilometers, that's 26.58 miles, is about 1 by 300 the diameter of Earth. This variation is too tiny to be seen in pictures of Earth from space, so the planet appears round to the human eye. Recent research from NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory suggests that melting galaxies are causing Earth's waistline to spread. Now let's see some interesting facts about the Earth. Come on, let's go inside the facts. Fact 1. The ocean has absorbed much of this increased heat, with the top 100 meters above 328 feet of ocean showing warming of more than 0.6 degrees Fahrenheit, 0.33 degrees Celsius. Since 1969, Earth stores 90% of the extra energy in the ocean. Fact 2. The most impressive attribute of the Earth is the extent and amount of liquid water on its surface, said Geography Macri, an astronomer at the University of California, Berkeley, who has helped discover dozens of extrasolar planets. Fact 3. Both the extent and thickness of Arctic sea ice has declined rapidly over the last several decades. That's 11 decades. Image visualization of the 2012 Arctic sea ice minimum, the lowest on record. Fact 4. Since 1970, Earth Day has been here to showcase the beautiful planet third from the sun that we call home. More specifically, Earth Day has been used to highlight the various environmental problems such as climate change that our planet has faced due to industrial and technological advances. In celebration of the Earth Day's 50th anniversary, here are 20 amazing reasons we love this rock called Earth. Fact 5. The Earth is actually 400 billion years old. No one can believe this. A quackery fact to share with your class. Earth is the only place in the solar system where water can be present in its three states: solid, liquid, and gas. Fact 7. Water covers roughly 71% of Earth's surface, and most of that is in the oceans. About a fifth of Earth's atmosphere consists of oxygen produced by plants. While scientists have been studying our planet for centuries, much has been learned in recent decades by studying pictures of Earth from space. Fact 8. Earth's axis of rotation is tilted in relation to the eclipse plane, an imaginary surface through the planet's orbit around the sun. This means the northern and southern hemispheres will sometimes point toward or away from the sun, depending on the time of year, and this changes the amount of the light the hemisphere receives, resulting in the seasons. Fact 9. While Earth orbits the sun, the planet is simultaneously spinning on an imaginary line called an axis that runs from the North Pole to the South Pole. It takes Earth 23.9334 hours to complete a rotation on its axis and 365.26 days to complete an orbit around the sun. Fact 10. Earth's orbit is not a perfect circle but rather an oval-shaped ellipse similar to the orbits of all the other planets. Our planet is a bit closer to the sun in early January and farther away in July. Although this variation has a much smaller effect than the heating and cooling caused by the tilt of Earth's axis. Important fact. The important fact is April 22nd is celebrated as Earth Day. Everybody please thank Mother Earth. Keep our Mother Earth clean and greenery. Don't throw garbages on streets. Keep a trash or a dustbin at the street and at your home and throw the waste in that. I love Mother Earth and I think that you also love Mother Earth. Please plant more trees. Jai Hind. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.